Good morning class. Today we discuss about relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass. Atoms are extremely small and very light, so we cannot weigh directly. Indirect methods have been utilized to determine the absolute mass of an atom. The relative mass of an atom or molecule is hence considered by considering a mass of very light atom. For example, hydrogen atom was initially chosen as a standard unit for determine the atomic mass. But now carbon C12 atom was later in 1961 considered as standard for comparison of mass of other atoms or molecule. Now first topic is relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass of an element is the number of times one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12th part of mass of C12 in gram atomic mass. When the relative atomic mass of any element is determined in gram is known as gram atomic mass of an element. For example, relative atomic mass of aluminium is 26.98, but the gram atom of aluminium is 27. In case of chlorine, 35.45 is the relative atomic mass of carbon, but the gram atom is 35.5 gram. Now, relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass of an element is the number of times one molecule of the substance is heavier than 1/12th part of mass of C12. The formula of RMM is mass of one molecule of substance divided by 1/12th mass of C12. Gram molecular mass. The relative molecular mass of a substance when expressed in gram is known as gram molecular mass. For example, the RMM relative molecular mass of nitrogen is 28.014, but in gram molecule 28 gram. Thank you class.